Hi there, fellow design architects, and coming to you from a crisp morning here in Jerusalem. A very beautiful morning. The air is absolutely amazing always in Jerusalem because we're high up in the Judean mountains. But what I wanted to speak about is overwhelm. Most people that are designers understand the concept of being overwhelmed before a project, before a meeting, before a task, and it's super important to start to dissect where overwhelm comes from. And we are going to be taking a look much deeper into the concept of process, because overwhelm is a misunderstanding of what process is. Now, right now, I'm busy standing next to a stairway, and I'm going to show you that stairway, and it goes right up the mountain there. I'd say at least 100 steps, and if you're pretty fit you could run up it, and if you're not so fit you could walk up it. But what I wanted to suggest, the only way to get to the top is obviously to take individual steps to get to the top, and that's the concept of process. We need to break everything that we do down into small steps, and that is the trick in life. Process is not just design process, planning, sections, elevations, 3D presentation. It's not just that. Process is very much what our lives are about. We cannot jump over a process. We cannot jump over these stairs to get to the top unless obviously we have some sort of rocket pack on our backs. But we've got to make sure that we can deal with different processes, and as an architect it's super important to have a structured process in place so that every time a project can come your way, that you can deal with it without having that terrible heavy stress on your shoulders about getting things done and not knowing how to do it. And the first thing that you need to do is take a small step, the first step, and once you get to the first step, the second step will reveal itself. And this is the secret about process, and the third and the fourth and the fifth step. And I'm sure you get it by now. Wanted to suggest to you guys, make sure that you break all your heavy tasks up into process. So it's super important not to be overwhelmed, because there is a process attached to any task we have in life, and that you need the ability to be mature enough to take it step by step. And so the key algorithm in life is to understand that you've got to break huge tasks up into small fragmented tasks, processes, one by one step at a time, just like the steps that I just showed you. And I look forward to sharing much more with you in the design and presentation workflow. Looking forward to helping you have a more structured, streamlined process so that you don't have huge overwhelm on your shoulders every day.